Wavy is tops in the third, and I am here to announce that I've got a husband. My husband is Bill Cipher, and if you touch him, I will literally kill you. Show them. Hope that it's really you.
Hi guys, it is me, the real Bill Cipher, and I am married to Stephanie Aquarius Thompson III. And now, instead of her actual last name, instead of Aquarius Thompson, it's going to be Cipher because we are engaged. If you touch her, I will literally possess you. I love you, Stephanie. I won't let anybody hurt you.
Thanks, Bill. I'm literally blushing. Right. See? He's mine! Stay away from him!
Fuck you talking about it? What the fuck is this? You, what the fuck is that? Fuck